So we're gonna do a pack opening right now. So we'll start from what we subscribe, like and subscribe. Got a player right there. Game changer first. These are the ones that we're not gonna get anything good, pretty much. Let's see, do the blue starter match pack. Blue starter match. Another blue star match. See, go with the goalkeeper one. Get something good. Not as good as I thought it would be. 2 trophies. I need gold. 2 bronze. Alright, 6 trophies. I need gold, and food. We needed the gold. Silly. Team of the week. Versus tokens. I did the exchange. Well, exchange. Alright, please. Hopefully we get a good rookie. Maybe possibly get a rookie in one of these packs after the versus tokens. I'll say the pro pack crap for last. See if we can hit 5 likes on this video. Alright. Here's the rookies. Rookie token. We need a player. Come on, I need a player. Nah. We need a player, that's what we need. Player? Okay. Nope. I think there's just gonna be tokens. I don't think you can get a player out there. I thought you could. Ooh, see, got a player. Yeah, I was hoping it would be an elite. Hopefully. No, that. Oh. And here's a pro pack. Dang, ain't good. Let's see. see what we could do. Still don't have enough. Let's see if I could do another. Do one of those. Oh, yes, something good. Two bronze. That's not what I needed, bro. Oh, thanks for I'm like 3 tokens away from getting this 99D Maria. Okay, 1 right there, 2 right here. So, I'll make sure I post up a video, or just watch the next video I post up with me trying to get D Maria. Remember, like and subscribe. If 5 likes, I'll do a giant pack opening. Possibly one of these packs. Well, thanks for watching.